Hello all, this is Dakota and Family. I'm going to show you our pretty kitties. This is the orange and white one is Toby. And we named this one, we found out it's a female. And I think we're going to call her Sheba. Yes, you're so adorable. Come here, Toby. Yeah, but you can see how only a few weeks, but I think Sheba was a runt. Yeah, I think she was a runt. But she's doing better. Me and her got that connection like me and Lily. And she climbs up my leg and gets up on my chest. Right now I'm still trying to get them used to each other. We got Sheba a few days ago. We got her Friday. And there's Toby. I thought that Sheba was a male, but I'm going to find out it's a female. But yeah, you guys are so cute. You guys make sure you guys push a big thumbs up for Sheba and Toby if you love kittens, if you think they're cute. And if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. And comment below, what do you think of them too? Yeah, you guys are so cute. Yes, you are. Yeah, I just wanted to do a little video of them. And I got them in my bedroom right now. Where it's a little bit more quieter. Yeah, but me and Sheba's got a good connection going, and that's what I've been looking for. Another connection like I had with Lily. And it's hard to get one. I thought me and Toby was going to have one, but it didn't turn out that way. But as soon as I seen her, I was like, yep, I think this one's going to be it. And so far, she follows me around. She gets up on my lap and gets up on my chest and lays down and goes to sleep. So, guys, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up on this video. And comment below. What do you think about them too? And we'll talk to you later. We're out. Bye. Hello all. I decided to put Sheba over here with Ella, and now she's cleaning her. That is so cute. Been trying to get them close to each other, so.
Sheba's been a little brat.
No, she hasn't. She's just a baby. She's 6 weeks.
Maybe, yeah, about 6 weeks. Who's meowing? How come you meow every time? Oh, sounds like you got food.
So this is a special moment. I've done this before, but Sheba ended up pissing and growling. So this is a good thing. I don't know, it's because she may be tired. But Ella's cleaning her. So cute. Alright, well, I'm out of here. Talk to you later.